All right, what's going on, folks? Mark Lux, Deluxe Motorsports. Today we got a gorgeous 2012 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara limited edition, finished off in white with the black removable hardtop. Folks, if you guys haven't already, in the bottom right hand corner of this video, make sure you guys click that subscribe button. After you subscribe, make sure you turn on that bell notification to let you know when we go live and when we post more videos just like this. We are a local Virginia dealer right here in the town of Fredericksburg. We sell nothing but custom, nice vehicles. This truck happens to be stock right now. It probably won't be for very long. My favorite Saharas are definitely white. I love a all-white Sahara. This Jeep has just over 115,000 original miles. Mechanically super nice. Inside and out, the Jeep is absolutely gorgeous. The paint is in near perfect shape. Factory wheels and tires. Currently running a set of Bridgestone Dueler ATs. Have tons and tons of tread left. Like I said, this is a Sahara package, unlimited, a little limited edition, boys. This truck has cloth. This Jeep has cloth interior. However, it is loaded with heated seats, power everything, navigation. It's a loaded Sahara. No leather option, just cloth. It was probably ordered that way if I had to guess. Fifth wheel spare. Absolutely zero rust issues. The frame is still in excellent shape. Like I said, the body, you can see how nice the white paint still shines. It's a little sunny out here today, so it's hard to see everything. Interior's in good shape. Minimal wear on the driver's seat. So the cloth is still in very good shape. Like I said, factory navigation, heated seats, power everything. It does have the center removable top on both sides that you can remove to make it a T-top. The back seats are in near perfect shape as well. I'll give you a shot of the tire tread real quick. There's plenty of tire tread left. I mean, there may be a small rock chip here or there. That's about it. This Jeep was very well maintained cosmetically, as you could tell. Clean Carfax, clean title, absolutely zero issues. Just Virginia State inspected, fully serviced, ready to go. If you guys have more questions on this Jeep, give us a call, 540-898-1300. Again, bottom right hand corner of this video, make sure you guys click that subscribe button. You can catch us online also at deluxe-motorsports.com. That's our direct website. And then make sure you guys follow us on Instagram, is where we post a lot of the vehicles that come up for sale. Our Instagram is deluxe_motorsports. The same thing, company name, _motorsports. Let's go, boys. Anyway, 2012 Sahara, I guarantee it won't last long. If I don't sell it stock within the next 2 to 3 weeks, I will be doing 3.5 inches of lift, 20 by 12s, running a set of 35s, and we'll probably color match the wheels white. These Jeeps, white on white, they look so good, and I may even paint the top white to match. Again, Mark Lux, Deluxe Motorsports. You guys got any questions, give us a call today, 540-898-1300.